about sustainable homes. What are sustainable homes? Sustainable homes are homes which have minimal or less impact to the environment. Now I am going to make my sustainable home. This is an eco-friendly home that makes efficient use of resources, optimizes energy and water use. I have windows and pergola roof which allows ample sunlight and air inside the home. The solar water heater heats water using solar energy. The vertical garden is watered using grey water which is also treated by UV technology. Now let's make a vertical garden. For this, make holes around a plastic cup. And at the bottom of the cup to drain excess water. Let's fill it with potting soil. Plant seed on the top and around the cup where there are holes. Afterwards, water it and keep aside. Your vertical garden is ready after a few days. Thank you.